Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I know you're probably wondering, why am I in the garage? Okay guys, so I just ordered some Chinese food, right? And the thought just came to me. I was watching a video the other day about, husband versus ex challenge. So I thought it would be a good idea to do that today. I'm starving, so I can't wait to start eating. So I just told Poppy, hey, put some clothes on. We're going to do a video. He's like, what kind of video? I said, don't worry about it. I will explain to you once we sit around the table. So, guys, I am going to prank him. And you don't know, say, your girl always likes to get some reaction out of Poppy. All right. So I don't know how he's going to take it. So, how this work is, he's gonna ask me a bunch of questions, and I'm gonna either eat. I'm gonna do food and drink. So one will represent Poppy, and the other will represent the ex. And of course, I'm gonna probably try to choose the ex. Kind of big up the ex more and whatever, just to get a reaction out of him. It really sounds safe, guys, but I'm gonna take my chances. All right, so stick around for that one. That one I got epic. Hi guys, and welcome back. So Poppy's here, and remember I told you guys he doesn't know what game we're playing. So Poppy, we are going to be playing this game called Husband versus Ex Challenge. Don't worry about it, you're gonna like it.
Husband versus ex?
Yeah, it's a fun game. You're gonna love it.
Me not love it already. Really? Husband versus ex?
Yes. So anyways, guys, so we have a drink here and I have my food here and I am starving. I can't wait to eat. So how we're going to do this, we're going to have the ex for the food and the husband for the drink.
So,
Babes, you're going to like it. Don't worry, just go with the flow. And I have some questions for you. All right? So here you go.
so
And I have to be truthful. I cannot lie. I'm going to be as honest as possible. All right? So don't look at the questions yet. So just remember, I have to be truthful. I have to be honest. Can you open this one,
guys,
please?
for some reason, we just don't like all this. So it annoys
Just
me.
calm down, man. You're going to like it. I promise you.
So I'm going to ask you the question, and if it
and then
match
I'm going
me,
to answer. Right. So if it's you that I choose, then I will drink. If it's
Your
the
ex?
ex, then I'll eat.
well, she have a hungry tonight, guys, because if she ever name my food, as a matter of fact, you better go and eat some food right now, guys.
I'm hungry too,
Really better eat some food before the question starts. Right?
This is going to be fun.
And most of the question I will say, oh, who are the thief? The
All
ex
right.
are the...
Anyways, are you ready?
I'm not ready about going through. Guys, subscribe to the channel. Let's see if we never like this one after we do the video. Right? And big up on yourself and I don't know.
All right. So go ahead and read the first question.
What?
Just read the question.
Alright, so the first question is, who is the better dresser? Wanna start it?
That's my answer.
Who is the better dresser? You mean like, who more fashionable? We gotta eat more? No. This is a joke thing. A trick thing this. Guys, only tell me say, no. She tell me say, she's never met a man dressed as nice as me. So all.
Not as you, but better than you. Me probably never say better than you, but me say as you, but
No.
I know. That's my answer.
So guys, say, all the time me come up with the game them, right? And the one time only come up with a game, and this, watch out. So we gotta eat more? No. Alright, make we start over. Eat the food and then we start over. Because...
No! Ask next question.
So 3 times you have to eat because what? That's how we dress back?
No,
Alright, next question.
with the attitude for don't lie.
No, but
I have to be honest. You want me to lie?
I drew this, honey. Alright. I'm questioning, I'm not even reached number 2 yet. Who is the better kisser? No, but you just eat a while ago and need something to drink.
Put on my drinks, man. Who's the better kisser?
Yes.
Stop. I have to be honest. Like you want me to lie and stuff?
So I lied that a while ago if you drink some of my juice? Yo, me want to play that game too. Me want to play that game too. Really?
I'm hungry. I'm trying to suck one spoon.
So, honey, look how look guys, we've been together for like 15 years.
I mean, I'm not say you can't kiss, but I mean, there's good, better, best though.
Alright, you don't eat?
Mm-hmm.
You don't want something to drink? Who does your mom love more? Who does your mom love more?
Finally.
So that's for the question? Or if you just feel thirsty?
For the question.
Who does your mom love more?
Yeah. Can I drink again? Next question.
Who defends you more? Defends you more. You know what I mean? Like what? Like what?
Protective.
Oh, who's more protective? Who's more protective? Them question I'm feeling better now, guys. Alright, next question. This, guys, me I forget this. I mean, I get this, me know there's something wrong. Who is the better cook? Guys, me cook almost every day. So, I want to see. Who is the better cook?
I feel threatened.
No, but you say you have to tell the truth, so tell the truth. Oh. Okay.
I'm being honest.
Okay. Look, I don't need to rest at night. Who is more romantic?
More romantic?
Yeah. So,
Oh.
guys, this is so much food to take off of the question. Eh?
What me do?
Who is more likely to give you their last? Who is most likely to give you their last? No, give no last half of them a question. I said, the wrong thing you choose a while ago. No, give no last half
You
of
give
them.
me a last? Of course you'll give
No,
me a
go to who kiss you better and who dress better.
last. We just ask questions and we're not answer them honestly.
And this is one, you know, guys, based on how me I go on, this is one I have my name all over it. Who is more miserable? Oh. Well, at least the one that's so bad, guys. Straight, cause the way me I go on, me know say,
So when they're truth, and the truth is so the real is
who spends the most on you? Who spends the most on you? I enjoy that game, guys. Big man.
wow. Did you spend the most for me?
But the one that when me get Liam.
Oh, with Liam.
Alright, next question. Who is most loyal?
That's easy. That's why I chose you tomorrow.
Boy. Well, guys, me I get the nice like family guy, man. One them, you know what I mean? The good guy, one them. I'm not somebody, no, but you don't know. Man, I like me, know say. You're out, you know what I mean? So, me more loyal. So, if I became your ex and you had to choose one of your ex to be back with, who would you choose?
Oh, wow.
She should never choose me. She must choose one of the better kisser one, the man. Just one. So what takes along? So them can kiss so good and dress so good and more romantic
But
and
you
all.
can cook good. You cook good. And you're very protective, so I have to consider, I put those things into consideration.
Alright, hurry up, guys.
Oh Lord. We can pass that one.
No, you can't just go back and take one of the X then. I'm not even one the back with her, guys.
Alright. Oh Jesus. And this is my 100% honesty.
Every time you hear honesty, I know me.
Andrew. Alright, that one there, I was just messing with you. I definitely really like it. I was just messing with you right
Alright. Well, guys, I'll never make Talia find another challenge again or whatever this is. Who makes you laugh more? Oh, she better. Guys, 2 more questions left after that one, you know. And I say, I'm not even answer nothing. Who is better in bed?
Oh man.
You gotta take so long. Oh, the one you know, let me want me here, guys.
It's just a game like you want me to tell lie and stuff.
Don't talk. See Tuesday.
So depend from my answer what like are there consequences to my answer?
Don't you just answer that? Who is better in bed? This really I take long right now. Yo guys, something really up. This no.
What? I think though, I have to think, I reminisce back on the ex and then try, I try compare and stuff.
Yeah, chicken this.
There's no trick. And let me tell her from the beginning, say I have to answer truthfully. So I don't want to go make a decision and then the right, so I have to think about it.
Who is better in bed? No. Yeah, me done. Enough of this. Yeah. Alright.
What are you done for?
Yeah.
What is there to done with?
No. Only a joke thing. This is the most joke.
You're not asking this question?
Which question?
You're not asking
No,
no,
I'm not asking no more question.
Why?
No, man. Only you being serious right now?
Do you want me to lie? Do you want me to lie to the
Only
people?
made it for like 15 years.
But me love you, me this other thing we love about it. It's not about just
But nothing sexy at all. About, so me just good feel like wash, cook and clean. You're joking.
No man, seriously though. Well, there's no need for you to get upset or whatever. That you know really.
But we're not drop the video yet.
What do you mean when I drop the video?
No, only like what kind of video this?
It's just a fun game.
No, man.
I'm
Fun for
being
who?
honest.
Fun for who? No, joke things. Then my question, yeah, who is the better dresser? Really, honey?
But you just good to not get me wrong.
But them not dressed like me.
Let me just say to him, just better.
Honey, stop it. Really?
It's the truth that you want to tell you, I'm my youth.
Who is the better kisser? And every video when we done, you want to kiss.
It's like, you know, we go deep and...
Who does your mom love? Me?
Of course, mommy love you more.
No. Yo, this come like a little, like... Awesome.
That's important though. When
All
family love you more than
all
ex.
of them come like, me a friend.
Come on, don't be like that. Don't we been married for 14 years, so none of that don't really matter.
So, oh, you remember how good them kiss and all these things from them time?
Then if it's so good, how can I forget?
Oh. Okay.
I don't like that okay there, no. It's a prank, babe. I was just pranking you. I was just pranking you.
No,
I told him, guys, did I not tell you that I was gonna prank him in these answers with these answers? It's a prank.
No, prank.
It's a prank. Most of those I don't mean it. Honey, we've been married for 14 years, really? If you couldn't kiss good, if you weren't whatever, come on now, you wouldn't be here 14 years later. I promise you that.
Well, me want to play the game yet,
I
guys.
promise you
And
that.
I'm not a pranker.
Can you come up with your feelings now? Come up with your feelings now. I'm saying it's a prank.
No, but this man look
come
bad
up with your
for...
feelings.
No, sir. Who makes you laugh more? That's some friend
Oh
thing.
my God.
No, man, this is some friend thing, man. She could have at least give me one of the good one. You know what I mean, guys?
Come on, good one there.
What? Who's the better cook?
You are.
A Cinderella thing.
When you met me, I was very skinny and you love cook and look fluffy now and nice and whatever.
But I know me
That's
have a kiss.
important. If I'm alone, if I did X alone, would I dead feel hungry?
You're dead for hungry, that. No.
Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully, Poppy will get out of his feelings like real quick.
I'm not guarantee that I'm going to see that video still.
The video go up, whatever.
I'm going to prank this.
Plus, I did well hungry too, so it did really sweet me. But it was a prank. And it was a good prank, guys, I think. You alright?
No, I'm alright.
I love you.
Big up on yourself, guys. You don't know. As I said, I'm not sure I'm going to see this, but just in case.
No, I edit it myself.
Big up on yourself.
I can't edit. Alright, guys, thank you for watching. You don't know me love my puppy and my puppy this.
Have a good night.
Don't play with me now. Really? Bye, guys.